and good day, dear students and parents. I am Annie Thomas, Chairperson and Principal of Sharon Education Society. I am here on behalf of the Sharon Management. I hope you all are keeping fine and safe in your homes. So students, it has been a long break for you from school due to the pandemic and the lockdown. And I'm sure that many of you will be bored as well as anxious to know when life is going to return back to normal. You will be wondering when the schools are going to reopen, when you will be able to get back to the classrooms, when you will be able to meet your friends and so on. Well children, life is definitely not going to return back to its normal immediately. It is going to take some time for everything to become normal. In the meantime, we have to face the challenge and try to bring some new normalcy into our lives. So, we have to find new ways of meeting each other. We have to find some new ways of imparting education to you. We have to find new ways of bringing the classrooms into your homes. Right now, during this pandemic, it has been technology who has been our best friend. This pandemic has certainly pushed us to depend more on technology. And it is technology that is going to help us to meet each other again. So dear parents and students, let us meet each other virtually using the technology on the screens of our computers, mobiles or on our laptops through the Zoom app. So we intend to conduct parent-teacher meetings from 15th of June for the students of standard 6 to 9 on the Zoom app. So to meet on the Zoom app, parents, there are two requisites. One, you all will have to download the school mobile app, that is the VMS app. We require this app because we will be corresponding to you only through the school VMS app. So, we will be sending you the date, time and the link through which we will be meeting you on Zoom through the school VMS app. For those parents who already have the VMS app, I request you once again to go to Play Store and download the latest version of the app so that you don't miss out on any of the messages sent out from school. The next very important thing is that all the parents have to download and install the Zoom app on your mobiles. We have opted for Zoom app as it is a very user-friendly app, and we presume that most of the parents will be quite adept with using the Zoom app. So the dates on which we are planning to take the parent-teacher meetings are as follows. For 9th standard on 15th June Monday, for 8th standard on 16th June, for 7th standard on 17th June and for 6th standard on 18th June. The parent-teacher meetings for standard 2nd to 5th will be conducted from 18th June. Parents, you don't have to worry about the dates and timings because the respective HMs will be informing you about the dates, timing and the links once again through the VMS mobile app. Now, how are the classes going to be held will be the next thought that crosses to your mind. Certainly, we cannot come back to our classrooms. We will be taking online classes or virtual classes. I am very happy and proud to announce that we have already started taking 10th standard online live classes from the first week of June. The classes have been going on very successfully and we are very happy as it is well accepted by our students too. The online live classes for Standard 9 will begin from 22nd June. As for the other classes from Standard 2nd to 8th, we will not be conducting online live classes. We will be conducting asynchronized classes. That is, we will be sending videos to the students. The students have to watch the videos and the videos will be followed with some type of assignment, task or some type of projects which the child has to do at home. As you all know, this pandemic has put up many challenges for us as human beings, and the challenges for us as teachers also has been really huge. But however, we at Sharon, we thought that we could try to make these challenges into opportunities. Hence, we are going to try a new and innovative teaching learning process for the students of Standard 1st to 8th. Any venture that a school starts will become a success only if it is wholeheartedly accepted by the parents and the students. Dear parents, I hope you will all cooperate with us and accept and be with us through this journey of new innovative teaching. Now the next query that the parents will have is about the workbooks, notebooks and textbooks. This year we will not be issuing any workbooks for any of the classes. However, we will be following the Karadi path for standards 1st to 4th. Already the books have come and we will be starting the online training of Karadi path learning also with the students soon. As for the textbooks, it is not urgent for any parent to go out and buy the new textbooks. If you find it needed urgently, you may please download the textbooks from the e-learning Bal Bharati site. Notebooks, I think till the pandemic is over, please do with all the old notebooks that you have at home. Dear parents and students, I earnestly plead that please do not go out to the shops to buy textbooks and notebooks. Let us be with the government. Let us help them to come back and contain this COVID. This unlock period is not a period where we need to go out unnecessarily. This is the period when we have to show that we are responsible citizens and keep ourselves, our family and our community safe. Please, I once again request you, please refrain from going outside unnecessarily. Now, parents, please remember, we are starting this online classes not to complete syllabus for standards 1st to 8th. In fact, nor is it for making the students appear for exams and getting marks. In fact, it is to keep the students in touch with studies. It is to bring a rhythm into the student's life. It is to bring a sort of system into the student's life. We are starting these online classes so that the students remain in touch with their books, with their school, with their teachers. So, dear students, you also please take up all these video lessons which we are sending very seriously, and we hope you enjoy this new journey of new learning. I would like to express my appreciation to Jennifer, Mrs. Jayashree, Mrs. Anita Soman, Mrs. Anita Matthew, Judith, and all the members of the Sharon family for sharing their knowledge, for their enthusiasm of learning something new, their creativity, and their never say die attitude. Hats off to you, dear Sharon team. Together we can. Thank you.